Next data type is string data type or str. So in Python, the string data type is represented as just a sequence of characters. So in in Python, string data type is simply treated as str or called as str data type. So I have one string here, so I created it already. So this is my sequence of character. This is my name Prashant, and where we have the sequence of character. So it is a string data type. Let's see the example. Let's say name equals to, and string data type is always included in the double or single quote. So same Prashant. If you check the type, if you check the type of this name variable, it is str. So string literals are using either a single or double quote. So both are valid one. For example, name 1 equals to another name. So here this time let's include single quote. So this is also valid one. If you check the type of this variable name 1, it is also str. So this is how we can declare a string or use a string data type. Let's move to this next example where we can slice the string. So slicing of string is very important because when we use string data type in Python, it has index. For example, see, this is the index assigned with all the character. And not only this, negative indexing is also allowed in Python. So this is how the index is assigned. The positive, or you can say left to right or right to left. So we can use these slicing for slicing technique. And there is a operator for the slicing called this simple square bracket, opening and closing square bracket. So this operator is called as a slice operator. Slice operator. So we in Python, the indexing start with 0 from left to side, left to right and right to left. The positive indexing or negative indexing. Remember this one. So let's see the example related to this slice. So here we have a name variable as a Prashant. If I say name of 0, then I will get the first character. If I say name of 5, then definitely I will get the index which is on fifth character is A. So A is there. Let's say the negative indexing -3. So name of -3, here I will get similar A. So this is how the negative indexing work. Just for fun, see this code for I in name print I. So see how I retrieved each index with simple for loop. So don't go into the details of this for loop because later on we are going to do a deep study related to for loop also. So this is how you can even use for loop on string data type. So slicing and the looping. If you try to access any index which is not there, so it will give you an error, index error. So string index out of range. Remember this error. If you get such kind of error, then you can you can quickly check that the index is not there. One more interesting way is, say, name of, simple put the colon and check what happened. So this colon is also used with the slicing operator. But check again the name of, let's say I'm using 2 colon 5. Close this time. See ASH. So I'm getting from second index. See So second index is nothing but this A, S and H, but I have included here 5. So generally the last one is always get skipped. So that's why this A is not there, only A, S, A, H is there. So this one. So you can check at your own what you can do with this thing. Then name into, can anyone guess how it will work? So multiplication. So it repeat that much number of times. So this is also possible. Now see one more interesting way of using character in Python. So in Python we can represent character value by using string type only. So it is also a string. Let's say C is equals to, in single quote, A. If you check the type, it is also a string type, right? And see, C into 5, it will repeat that much number of time. This is how you can play with the string data type. Later on we are going to do so many things with this string data type. So this is how you can work with string in Python. Next important thing related to string is changing the special character meanings or suppressing the special character meaning. So let's see the first example. So here take s variable var equals to, see the assignment I am doing. So this is possible. If you try to print this one is valid, but accidentally, let me copy and paste. If I do this kind of thing, what will happen? So it is giving index error. So suppress the meaning of the special character, we can use a backslash quote. So this is a backslash quoting, or you can say we are terminating the meaning of this special character. Now this time this var is a valid one. So not here, we need to include it for double quote. See, this time the double quote will be there, but check the output carefully. So here it is included in double quote, and this time it is included in single quote. So suppressing the meaning of special character. So even you can include in it with the print statement. Now one more interesting way of using this slash in Python is like this. See, print, the bracket open, single quote, a slash, then b slash c slash, then quote close, bracket close, and enter. See what happened? So to break up a string over more than one line in Python, you can include a backslash before each new line, and the new line will be get ignored. So at the end you will get a complete string. Remember this way of defining in Python. Then even slash itself can be included. Check carefully, p by p, right? See the error, right? So again copy and paste this, and see this time I am using double slash. So the previous one removes the meaning of, or removing the special meaning of that slash. So this time we can include it in the print statement. So this is possible. So applying a special meaning to different characters. So there are lots of characters like slash a, slash b, slash f, slash n. What is slash n? The more interesting part, slash n. See what happened. So if you give slash n, it is a new line character or line feed character. So there are lots of special escape character sequence that you can use, but we are not going into the details of those characters right now. Next interesting thing related to string data type is triple quote string. So take the example first. So I am trying to print this sentence. This is an, or let's say in bracket a, okay, but not a, let's say the quote and another quote. This one is an example of quotes. So definitely there will be a syntax error, but I want to print this kind of statement as it is. Then this triple quote is going to help you. So this is another way of delimiting the string in Python. So this triple quote string are delimited by a, a system either by using a single triple quote or three double quotes. Let's see the example. Print this time 1 2 3, right? I'm giving just little space for just understanding. Close it one more time, 1 2 3. Now here include the above string. This is an example of single and this double quote. I can do anything here. See, now I'm getting the correct output. Remember, you can use this single triple quote or double triple quote. So for double triple quote example, I am simply doing copy and paste. Here 1 2 3, and at the end again 1 2 3. Press enter, the similar output will be there. Correct? This is how you can use this triple quoted string in Python.